Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Analytics Debugger. So once you enable debug mode on your device, go right here in Google Analytics to admin, and right here under the data collection and modification, you will see data display right here. Click on that. Data is display. It will show up some different options, and the last one is debug view. Click on that, and this start using your website or app and monitor the events as they are triggered. The second stream, uh, you will see here which hour you did something, uh, and everything is shown what has happened on your website in last 60 seconds. And this is how you can debug your website or app on Android or iOS. You can find this with Google Analytics in debug view. So this is basically how you can use Google Analytics for debugging your website or app. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.